Hello everyone, my name is Amos Nimas, and right now I'm creating this new social media site, which I don't know how it's gonna be called, but right now I'm calling it Project Money Talk, because it's gonna be a social media basically where you can basically purchase actions and privileges that other user don't have for free. Basically, it's like a pay-to-win social media that gives you more control, and there's better selection and better quality. It's more of a high quality social media. Basically, that's the concept in my brain, at least. So here you can see like all the users. It says I'm not connected because I haven't coded that when you log in it connects you, but that's gonna be an easy fix. You can go to the main page and see like the posts, but they will be larger. Like I haven't worked on the graphical UI of this page yet. There will be option to create new post, but right now comment on post, delete post, basic social media stuff. The exciting stuff I'm gonna talk about it later on in the project when I get to it. But right now, the main feature of today is that you can upload an image as your profile picture. I know that's very cool. That's very cool. And it works with most images, but not files that are too large. Like this file, for example, is 400, almost 500 kilobytes. That might be too large. It's too large, and the format was weird. But let's go with like, I don't know, this PNG that is like 2.1 megabytes. That's huge. File is too large, so just pick one with a smaller file size. I could probably just compress these images so that you would be able to upload them, but right now that's just not my priority with this project. I just want to get things working as quickly as possible and have it online as soon as possible. Like that's 1 day of development. 1 day of development, you can like log in, log out, register new user. Username has already taken. Please choose a different one. The basic, the basic. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. 1 day progress right here. That's what you have. You can log in, register, change your profile picture, and see what users are connected. That's 1 day progress. Let's see in a week what it looks like. And also, I'm not giving up on the other project of creating a card game, but it's more complex actually to make just a social media site. And people are more hype, I think, about a social media site. So let's build that first since it's easier, and then go back to the card game when I have time. The motivation why I'm making this project is not because I want a social media site. It's because I want to make money. I'm gonna be fair about this. This is a project because I want to gather funds and to be able to work on all these other projects I want to do. And I think it's a way I could make a little bit of money. It could be a side hustle, you know, passive income. Basically, that's the goal. Um, so I hope you will enjoy this site once it's finished, because yeah, uh, it's gonna be probably a passive income for me. So that's why I'm gonna work on it, and it's gonna be high quality. That's the target audience. People who like to use social media, but you don't want all the trash content in there. You want to have a bit more control. Like you could be a moderator for these platforms, but on this site, it's really gonna be you're gonna have more power than on any other platforms. That's the selling point, I think. I think this is what makes it great. It's a site about status. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the concept later, but right now that's all I had to say, and it's gonna be real polished in the end. I know right now like it may not look that fancy, but it's gonna be real fancy.